sweet recipe called cake with 9 ingredients. Yeah, it's safety. We need safety the most. I know it's hard to say that it's your birthday and you don't have cake, you cannot go out because of the lockdown for the safety, and in fact we should not go down for our safety. Yeah. So it's very sweet. You can make vanilla cake and chocolate cake. I'm going to tell you both the secrets for the cakes, vanilla and chocolate cake. Okay, so with 9 ingredients, let's go. Wait. Before that, I have a very quick challenge for you guys. In 5 seconds, click the like button and the subscribe button. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very nice, you have clicked it, very nice. So let's go. So these are my ingredients. This is maida all-purpose flour. This is powdered sugar, cocoa powder, which is unsugared, baking powder, and this is baking soda, 1 pinch. This is salt, 1 pinch. This is milk, and this is the vegetable oil I have used. This is vanilla essence. I'm gonna make the chocolate cake in this bowl and the vanilla cake in this one, and for the toppings I'm gonna use this Hershey's. And I'm using this one to mix the ingredients and this one to collect and put the batter. You can use this as a handy because if you mess up, so you can just like clean it up. And this is my cake ingredient basket in which I keep all the cake ingredients. So you can also make one like this so that it's not messy, and label them. Okay, so let's start. So we start adding with the all-purpose flour like this. As you know, we are making a chocolate cake. So this is the powdered sugar here. Now, if you want, you can mix it now, or if you want, you can mix it afterwards. I'm gonna mix it now. And if you don't have this kind of thing or this kind of thing, you can use a spoon also. So next I start adding with my cocoa powder. Then I'm adding some baking powder, 1/4 of the teaspoon. Then I go with baking soda. Baking soda and baking powder are different, so don't be confused with the baking powder and baking soda. So here I add this, and I'm gonna add 1 pinch of salt. I'm gonna mix it with this one. Should look something like this. And now I'm gonna add the milk slowly. As you can see, I've messed up bit over here, so I'm gonna use this afterwards to clean it up. Like this. You should get a hard consistency like this, and then you're gonna add your oil. Okay, as you can see in the whisker, there is some powder left. This should not be the situation. You should mix it properly. Perfect. And now, at the last, I'm gonna use vanilla essence all over the cake. Everything should be mixed properly, because if it's not mixed properly, your cake will have some like powder left in the bottom and etc. Your consistency should be something like this, and if your consistency is thick, so like you can add more milk, and If your consistency is too thin, you can add a bit of sugar or maida. So now I'm gonna empty everything. So guys, if you have choco chips or some toppings on top of it, you can add it. Otherwise, if you don't have, that's okay. I'm gonna use Hershey's for my toppings after the cake is baked. So guys, we are done with the batter, and now we'll be baking it in the microwave. So the chocolate cake is going to be baked in this one, and the vanilla is going to be in this one, as you know. So I'm going to show you how to do the microwave settings. Please see carefully. I have an LG microwave. So let's start. You on it and then go to stop, and you get some 0 over here. And there's a setting called mode over here. So press that. You get 900. Okay, and in this, you without turning anything, you click the select button, so you get this thing. And after that, you can select 360 over here, then select 360, then put the timer 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna place this batter, which is ready, made by us, in the oven or in the microwave. Yeah, perfect. And then start. So you can use any microwave, whatever microwave you have. So let's wait for the 4 minutes. Less than 30 seconds now, or maybe 20 seconds. It starts smelling. It's so good. It smells like the cake. It's done. So we take it out. Okay guys, so 4 minutes are over and the cake became something like this. You can like get the smell when the cake is getting ready. So you're gonna check it with a toothpick like this. So there's nothing on in here. I'm gonna check one more time with the new toothpick in here. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, the toothpick is almost clear. This much is okay. It means the cake is also ready. So this is my chocolate cake, and now I'll be making the vanilla cake in the mug cake. If you want, you can make layers like this with whipped cream if you want. Very nice. Wow. Now let's go with the vanilla cake. With the vanilla cake, there's nothing much except like you can only miss one ingredient, which is cocoa powder, obviously. So let's go. So I go with all-purpose flour in here. This you can directly make it in the cup. Sugar. Baking soda. Baking powder, salt, milk, vanilla essence. Before that, we'll mix. We need to add oil. So guys, as you can see that this is not the consistency we wanted. It's too thin. So we go adding with some powdered sugar. We add some sugar. And if you don't want to use the sugar, you can use some jaggery also, but powdered jaggery. Okay guys, so I'm adding the green food color to add some color in the vanilla cake. You can make different colors like this. This should be the consistency of the vanilla cake. So I'm gonna take my spatula so that down all the powdery ingredients are there. They're not settled. and mixed well. Make sure all the ingredients are mixed well. So as you can see, this lump is coming. This should not be the condition. You should just smash all the lumps. That's why I'm using a spatula. So now let's go and dump it in the microwave. So I have 3 seconds left. I smell very nice cake. So guys, this is how my cake looks. Let's test it with a toothpick. I have a clean toothpick here and I don't have any cake here. Means my cake is baked. I have 2 cakes, so let it cool down. Till that time, let's decorate this one. So for decorating, I'm using some Hershey's. Perfect. And now with some sugar, I'm going to decorate. Perfect. It looks so beautiful. And now, let's decorate this one, the green one. Perfect. So both the cakes are ready here. So guys, I'm gonna cut and show you one piece from here. Wow, it's so soft. It's damn soft, and you can like easily pick it up like this. It's so soft. See, it's so deep. It's so soft. See this. It's so good. If you want to enjoy like me, make a cake at home and send me pic in Instagram. Hi guys, hope you like the video. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, share it. Bye. Cleaning very nicely. See. Yeah, I'm done.